Leisha, what is the Exodus experience?
It is a eating plan, a 40-day structured eating plan that comes with spiritual mentoring as well as inner healing as well as the body. So it's an alignment process, body, soul, and spirit.
So this is a unique spiritual journey that has a physical and spiritual and mental result. It improves absolutely everything in your life. Who is it for?
It really is for men, women, everyone struggling from you're struggling to lose weight to you're feeling stuck in a body with symptoms of diseases, or you are struggling with your hormones or blood sugar levels, or infections, or a low immune system. It literally is full body detox restoration program for everyone. And there are different meal plans, so you can choose what meal plan suits your life and your situation the best.
So just run us through like the main ones and which ones should they choose.
So we're going to separate this into, do you want to lose weight or not? If you want to lose weight, then the first plan option I would suggest would be the main plan for men and women.
Which is manna and quail.
So if you want to lose weight, that would be, I would like to see 89% of people on the main manna and quail plan.
Yes.
If you have specific needs, so you're a vegetarian and you want to lose weight, then you do the vegetarian plan. If you are a vegan, you do the vegan plan. The carnivore plan and you want to lose weight, then it's the carnivore plan. So those are more speciality plans outside of the main plan. Severe stomach problems, pancreatic problems, then you do the gastritis plan. If you are breastfeeding, obviously you do the breastfeeding plan. That is for weight loss. If you do not want to lose weight, then you choose the no weight loss plan. If you want to gain weight and you're struggling to build muscle and to gain weight, then you go for the weight gain plan. So it's actually very simple.
I would have imagined it is very
choose.
simple.
I wouldn't want people to be too confused regarding, do they do carnivore? If you don't have a serious gut issue, you do the main plan. If you've not been on a carnivore diet for a few months or a year before this,
Absolutely.
do not do the carnivore plan. Just do the main plan. Not any of our plans has any dairy or any
bread in it.
So you can be sure that with the advice of choosing the main meal plan, you'll definitely get the best plan for you. You can choose from an approved list of food what you want with your specific meal plan.
Absolutely. And if it's not in the plan, then it's not allowed.
Yeah.
If it's not, then you cannot have it. It's just as simple as that.
So everyone, we would love to invite you to join our 40-day Exodus experience. You can go onto our website, choose your plan for men and women. There are different plan options.
We are excited to have you there. If you have any more questions, please look at the frequently asked questions on the website. Whatever you're thinking, we have answered it.